many women are walking with the rivers down my street. From my window I'm staring while my coffee gets cold. Look over there, where there's a lady that I used to know. She's married now or engaged or something, so I'm told. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? Cause my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Around here. Tonight's the night when I go out to the party down my street. I wash my hair and I kid myself, I look real smooth. Look out there, where there, it's Judy with a new boyfriend. They say that looks don't have much, if so, here comes your proof. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? Cause if my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Wrong around here. But if looks could kill, there's a man who's marked down as dead. Cause I've had my fill. Listen, you take your hands from her head. I've got to meet around this scene. Hey, hey, hey. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? Cause if my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Around here. Something's going wrong 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 around here. Well, hi dear there, pluckers. Arthur Soulfingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson. This is another golden oldie. This one's from about 1979, I believe, and a classic song from Joe Jackson, and a song called Is She Really Going Out With Him? Okay. So this is my take on a single acoustic guitar version for this song. Basically I'm in standard tuning, but I will have a capo on the fret 1, and we'll be playing the song in B flat the way I'm playing it, which is exactly the same key that Joe Jackson originally performed and recorded the song in. Okay, so using the capo does away with quite a few of the bar chords. There are still some bar chords in it. Can't do away with all of them, unfortunately, but does away with quite a few of them, so hence the capo. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that. I think this is a really classic pop song, amongst a few he's written actually, but I shall be back in a few days with the lesson, hopefully. Hope you join me then. Bye for now.